Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs, and today we have a build from FANHOME. It is build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor going in 60 seconds. Goodness me, I said that all in one go. It is pack 25, but today we are doing, I believe it is 96, issue 96. It will be a fast one. It's the boot lid. In America, it would be called the trunk. So it's just attaching the latch, and then we will move on to the next part. So this is what we will be getting in this pack. Guess I will cut it. Easier cutting it like this. And that way you could store it as well when you're done with it. So very heavy bit of metal there. Has a slight difference to this. So let's get on with this one. So we have DS06 screws. Let's try and get 2 of these out. Oh, just about. So I did say there's a slight difference, but I really don't think there is. So let's see, there's a bit of a cleaner side and like a little bit of a mark there. Let's see, get that on the close up. So probably when you open the boot you will be seeing the cleaner side. I'm gonna put that way. Get our screws ready. Okay. Let's see, I'm not sure if it would need oil. Probably would. Let's see. I think we're okay. Okay, that's screwed in. And you want it quite tight, but not over tightened, because you can split, because this is plastic, it can split the plastic just enough that it's not wobbly. So with that in mind, that is the end of this issue. I really hope you enjoyed that, and if you could do us a favor, if you could hit that thumbs up and give us a subscribe, that would be doing us a great help. Look forward to seeing you all next time. Thanks a lot again. Bye.